Are you tired of your quotes looking the same and want an easy way to make certain words stand out in your calligraphy? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how serif and sans serif lettering can help you bring more variety and emphasis to your work without needing any fancy tools. Hey there, I'm Maricar, and in this video, we're diving into the basics of serif and sans serif lettering. These two styles are super simple, but they can totally transform how your quotes look. Plus, I have a new worksheet available that will help you master these styles. More on that later.
First, let's talk about serif lettering. Serif letters have small lines or edges at the ends of the strokes, and these lines are called serifs. You can see this style in classic fonts like Times New Roman. These serifs add a decorative element to the letters, making them feel more elegant. Using serif lettering can help certain words stand out, especially in quote designs. Now, sans serif lettering is the opposite. It's all about clean, simple lines, no extra decorations, just the basic letter forms. This style is perfect for a modern, minimalistic feel, and it pairs really well with serif lettering when you're doing quotes. Now, here's where it gets fun. You can mix serif and sans serif lettering in the same quote to create contrast and emphasize certain words. For example, let's take a simple quote, dream big. I'll use sans serif for the word dream and then serif for big to make that word really stand out. See how the serif style on big makes the word pop? It draws the eye without needing to change colors or tools, just the style of the letters. The best part is you don't need any fancy tools to start with serif and sans serif lettering. You can use a monoline pen, a small brush pen, a large brush pen, or even just a regular pen. As you can see, this works with any pen you have on hand, making it super accessible for anyone who wants to try. Now let's see how we can combine these two styles with brush calligraphy to make a quote stand out. For example, I am going to write the quote, stay positive, work hard. And I'm going to use brush calligraphy style for the words positive and hard, and then switch to sans serif for the word stay, and then use serif for the word work. So this creates a nice mix and helps the keywords stand out. See how the different styles make certain words pop? You can use this trick to make your designs more interesting without needing any extra tools.
If you're excited to start practicing, I've got something to help you get consistent results. My Mastering Serif and Sans Serif Lettering Worksheets is available now in my Etsy shop. It's a 45-page digital worksheet with both lowercase and uppercase letters, plus words and phrases to help you get the hang of these styles. You can use it with any pen or brush pen that you like. And to celebrate the launch, it's 50% off until October 12, so be sure to grab your copy before the sale ends. The link is in the description below. I hope this quick lesson in serif and sans serif lettering inspires you to experiment with your own calligraphy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to learn next. And if you tried a worksheet, please do tag me on Instagram at 7brushstrokes. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. Bye!